and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Cheri. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday. Today I have a Bibbidi Bobbidi Box unboxing. This is my December box. I know that my November unboxing just went up last week, I think. December hit our family really hard with sickness. We have been sick almost the entire month. And so I'm just behind on opening it. And quite frankly, if you watched my last unboxing, you know that I really wasn't super thrilled with the box. And the more I thought about it, the more I really didn't care for the items at all, besides the Rice Krispie treat. And so when this box came, I really wasn't jumping at unboxing it. I wasn't super excited to even see what was in there. So that's why this is a little bit late. I have canceled my subscription. So this is my last Bibbidi Bobbidi box. I don't know if I'm gonna subscribe to another box. I've kind of been looking around. So stay tuned for that. But without further ado, here we go. So the box is super, super cute. It looks like Christmas on the box. They just have all of the Disney treats that you get around the holidays, which is awesome. I'm not going to show you the back of the box because it does have the shipping label on it, but super cute box. Now, I do get the fantasy box. It is $59 plus shipping. I think it's 66 something, almost $67. So let's see what's inside. So this is what it looks like when you open it. I'll go through all of it. I have red tissue paper, some papers in here, and if you can see a little bit of the glitter up there. So let's see. This is super, super cute. It's just a little card that came in it. This is actually something that I would probably frame. It's really, really pretty. I love it. And then here is the packing slip. It says no peeking, and it has Donald. But Donald is angry, and I feel like Donald is angry a lot, and I love Donald, but I don't like angry Donald. But it's a cute picture. So let's see what's inside. Oh, this is cute. This is super cute. It is a hat, and the hat says salty, which is cute because I consider myself pretty salty, and hats were a preference of mine. I really like that. I actually will wear this in the parks. Kind of love that. It says adult size, and the price tag on it is $27.95. $27.99. Super cute. Love that. So I'm actually happy with that item. Okay, let's see what's next. Oh, wow. Okay. So here is a little Dole Whip change purse. I have seen these in the parks. I know that they are currently at the outlet. It says a Disney Parks exclusive, $19.99. And that's what it looks like inside. This actually might fit my vlogging camera, so that might actually work out really well for me. But that is adorable. I love this. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, this is so cute. So this is a pen, and let me take it out of here. It says a Disney Parks exclusive. So this is a Haunted Mansion pen, and I think that's an eagle. And then it has the purple wallpaper. This is really cool. I love this. I bet you my husband is going to actually steal this because he loves the Haunted Mansion. But that's a great pen. It actually has a lot of weight to it, so I'm really happy with that. Let's see if there's anything else inside the box. Okay, so that was all that's inside the box, but let's look at the packing slip. So it says the Disney Parks exclusive Haunted Mansion ink pen is $14.99. The Disney Parks Pineapple Swirl Dole Whip coin purse is $19.99. And the Disney Parks exclusive hat Salty was $27.99. So the retail value is $62.97. I paid $59 for the box plus shipping and handling, so $66. So I did get my value out of it. Now I am much happier with this box. I think that these items are definitely items that I would purchase. I don't know if I would purchase the Salty hat, but I would definitely wear it, and I do love the coin purse. I've looked at it many times, and the pen is really nice as well. So overall, I'm really happy with this box. So tell me in the comments below what you think. Which item that I received is your favorite? And do you think that I should renew my subscription, or should I try another box? Have you tried other boxes? Tell me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I would love for you to subscribe if you have not already. I post new videos every Tuesday and Friday. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.